Video is going to be behind the scenes of how I take a bunch of pictures in a day, featuring Lim.Zeben.
Creative director.
Yeah, she styled this fit. So guys, we are at the first photo shoot location by the Menso collection. If you're in Texas or Houston, you'll be able to figure it out. But it's this place across the street actually from it, so we're gonna take some pictures here. They look pretty fired. I'm wearing this fit here with this black leather jacket with this white beater. It's actually white beater, but I said white beater. These platform kicks and these short shorts in green. Jewelry wise, I'm wearing this stuff right here. So now we're gonna take these pictures. Big sis in the back, so let's do it. Look at this magnificent tree, y'all. This is so cool. Here's the shoot spot 1, 2, and 3 here. We're gonna see what we can knock out. They're closed today, so I don't know like what that does for us, but you know, we're just gonna make it work. We're gonna make it shake. So yeah, beautiful day. Really beautiful day. It's this classic yellow truck over here. If I see the owner and I have the right fit on, I'm gonna ask him if I could take some pictures by the car. So right now, I'm about to film the second look. I get to choose a great location with multiple possibilities. I think this was gonna go super hard. So far, you guys saw the other one. You saw the behind the scenes of that. Somewhere that's like in the museum district where you guys can find a bunch of different blank walls, blank spaces, if that's the fee style you're trying to go for. And even then, there's places where there's a lot of greenery alongside it. That makes it a perfect place to go crazy on some fits. So make sure you bring several options for jewelry and several options for fits and different combinations and shoes, of course, and make the most of it.
He's over there taking a picture in this like mirrored window. They're getting a free show.
So what I'm gonna do is tell you guys kind of what I was thinking as I was taking these pictures. I was like, okay, I need to do something more artistic, something that it's not done too often, something that's like out the blue. And so one thing I always think about is jumping. Jumping is something that can look very elegant if you do it right, and try to hit those angles. And it's funny. You're gonna see the video. It looks very funny, right? But the truth is, there's so many great shots that happen when people are jumping. If you look at, for instance, Cam Visual Arts on Instagram, a lot of his pictures are people jumping or from down lower angles, right? But a lot of the jumps are the hardest pictures. So there's a lot of awesome photos that can come out of something like jumping. So hope like you guys see the great work. Shout out to style by Zimbal. But yeah, as you guys can see, that was pretty dope. So we're gonna change it to the next outfit. Lauren likes to call this Easter boy, something like that. But you guys are gonna see it in a second, so stay tuned. We are in fit number 3, which is gonna be like a little open one. You got this nice little necklace I got off of Amazon. This vest I thrifted with these that I thrifted as well, and these Cortezes. These have like a nice little flare at the bottom. I'm gonna show you guys the fit right here. So that's how this one's looking. You guys probably didn't see it very well because the lighting is more so over here. But there's nothing to put it on over here, so that's how it's going. But I'm about to record a little selfie video or whatever on this, and y'all see it. Okay, so yeah, anyhow, as you guys are watching the video, I decided I want to go ahead and record a little clip like this, put it somewhere that you guys could watch, which is probably in the corner as you're watching me in the background, you know, take pictures and stuff like that. And I just wanted to give you, 1, you guys some encouragement, and 2, I just wanted to also let you guys know that anything is possible. That's encouragement. But also give you guys a couple more points about, like, you know, fashion and things of that nature. Okay guys, so we're in this next fit. There's nothing crazy. White beater, blue jeans, white kicks. With this is what I love though. This is the piece that's gonna make it stand out. Wearing these glasses right now again. About to get this crack-a-lacking. When I get my TikTok clip, we're gonna find a spot to take these pictures at, and then I might try to take some pictures in the street in front of this pickup truck because I think it will hit the look. But yeah, I think this guy over here is a Mormon guy, Jehovah's Witness, hitting these doorways. I'm gonna do a whole separate video talking about my fashion journey and all that kind of stuff. Nonetheless, the next point I want to make with you guys though is this. So Basically, as you see watching this video, I don't actually know how long this clip is. Nonetheless, basically what I'm thinking about more so in this picture as well is, okay, how I'm gonna hit them in the gut. You know, I already mentioned this a little earlier, but I'm thinking about what can I do that's gonna make this fit super hard and super, you know, eye-catching, attention-grabbing, things of that nature. But moving on, I just want to give you guys some encouragement here. Just want you to know that anything is possible. I'm gonna put something like this in every video I make. Anything you set your mind to, you can accomplish. Anything you set your mind to, you can achieve. Just believe and keep going and be committed to the process, because it's a long journey to get to anywhere you want to go to. And I promise you, if you give yourself 3 years doing whatever it is that you want to do, you're gonna make it to the top as long as you're staying consistent and going for it ultimately on a daily basis. And the biggest thing too is to remember, you don't have to get 100% better every single day. 1% better each day, even hell, 0.5% better each day is better than no percent at all. You know, small progress is better than no progress. Is why I got that shit tatted on my arm right here, progress. But yeah, I just want you guys to feel as though that anything you set your mind to, you can achieve, because it's true. And that's the hard facts of life, and we're gonna make that the reality. Nonetheless, let's keep it rolling.
You want to got your camera?
Hey guys, it's me. I'm the big sis. This is outfit look number 5, I believe, 4 or 5. Hope you guys enjoying this video. Kind of a lot going on here, but yeah, so anything that's not understood, if you have any questions, drop it down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe before this video wraps up. Hope you enjoy the topics that we talked about here. So, with that being said, let's finish this out. Alright guys, so that's the video. Appreciate you guys for watching, sticking around all this time. I'm not sure how long it is. Hopefully it was enjoyable. If you have any more questions or want to see other different kinds of stuff, want to see more styling done by my lovely sister here, let me know. Her Instagram will be right here, boom, on the screen, and also down below. So go ahead and show her some love. And if you guys have any questions, please send them through. That being said, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.
Well, I'll be hanging around the arena grounds